Why screens are replacing you and the daily 10-minute habits that fixes it. There's something quietly replacing you in your child's life, and it's not another person, it is screen. And the scary part, it is not just about their time, it is slowly taking your place. If your child runs to screen before your child runs to you, if your child gets irritated when you interrupt, if conversations are getting shorter, then this video might feel uncomfortable for you, and that's okay, but you need to hear it. Because today we are not just talking about screens, we are talking about why screens are becoming emotionally powerful than parents and what that means to your child's future. I have taught digital parenting over the years, and I can tell you that I've seen a lot. But here is the good news. It is not permanent, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple 10-minute daily habit that can rebuild connection with your child even if things already feel distant. You are not imagining it. I have to tell you the honest truth. Something has changed. Your child prefers screens, your child gets irritated when you interrupt. You call your child doesn't respond the same way. Conversations are getting shorter, and sometimes you feel you are competing now with another adult. It is a device, and the added part is that you are physically there, but emotionally something is shifting. I remember a parent once told me, my child laughs with cartoon more than me. Let her sing. That's not just funny, that is a signal. And if you ever felt that, even a little, I want you to type in the comment section, I see. Because naming the problem is where changes begin. Let me talk about why screens are winning. Now, here is where most parents misunderstand what is up. Your child is choosing feelings that the screen gives to him or her. Think about this. Screens are always available, always exciting, always stimulating. Screens don't correct. Screens don't say not now. Screens don't get tired. They give your child something incredibly powerful through instant reward and escape. And if we are being honest, sometimes being a parent comes with pressure. Sit properly, stand up, get there, stop that, do your own work, don't touch that, don't move. But the screen always says come as you are. So your child isn't rejecting you. Your child is moving towards the environment that feels easier emotionally. And if someone makes you feel relaxed, excited, and in control every single time you saw them, you would choose such person too. So pause for a moment and ask yourself, what does my child feel when my child is with me compared to when my child is with screen? Now, the real problem. Most parents try to solve this by reducing screen time, taking away device stress, setting stricter limits. And why boundary matter? That is not the root of the problem. The real issue is there is a connection gap. Let me say something that might change how you see this completely. Screens don't replace parents. Screens replace connection. A child who feels deeply connected to you will still use screen, but that child will return to you. But a child who feels disconnected will escape into screen. So this is not just about what your child is watching. It is about what your child is missing. Now, what happens if nothing changes? Let's talk about where this leads to if nothing shifts. And I'm not saying this to scare you, but to wake you up. Connection doesn't disappear suddenly. It fades quietly. First, it's less conversation. Then, it's shorter answers. Then, it is emotional distance. And one day you try to talk and your child doesn't open up. Not because your child doesn't love you, but because the connection was never fully built. And by that time, something else has taken your place in their emotional outlet. Now the fix. The 10-minute daily habits. Let's fix this, because this is where many parents get it wrong. You don't need hours. You don't need perfect schedule. You don't even need to become a different person. You need something simple and consistent. And here it is. 10 minutes of undivided, child-led connection. That's all. But it has its rule number 1. No phone. If you are holding the phone, you have already lost it. Because children don't compete with devices. They withdraw from distraction. Rule number 2. Let your child lead. Child chooses the activity, not you. No correction, no teaching, no control. If your child wants to play silly, go with it. Rule number 3. Be present. Fully present. Eye contact, laughter, engagement. Not half there, fully there. Because this is the key. This is not about what you do. It is about how your child feels when your child is with you. You are rebuilding emotional association. You are becoming safe, fun, present, and that changes everything. Let me tell you why this works. When a child feels seen, the child comes back. When the child feels ignored, the child escapes. These habits build emotional safety. It builds trust. It creates positive emotional link with you. So you are not fighting the screen. You are becoming emotionally rewarding than it. Let me address the common mistakes here. Now, you have to be careful of this. Don't turn this into teaching. Don't start correcting behavior. Do not be be distracted, and don't be inconsistent. Consistency is a game changer because children don't measure love by intention, they measure love by attention. I hope you get that. Let me tell you what you will start noticing. If you do this consistently, you will start noticing some changes. Your child will come to you more, your child will talk to you more, your child will resist screen less. Not overnight, but fast than you think. So here is what I want you to do. Try this for 7 days, just 10 minutes. Then come back and tell me what changed. If this video opened your mind, then watch my next video. And if you want to raise children who stay connected to you, not just while they are young, but even as they grow, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Because this channel is not about perfect parents, it is about intentional parents. You don't need to compete with screen, you just need to connect.